Hey guys, just another one of those spontaneous vlogs. This time it's a bit less spontaneous because I actually recorded the video I'm going to show you in this vlog before. It's something pretty special, so without further ado, here's a little unboxing of future projects to come. And I especially want to thank Manuel. Without him, this wouldn't be possible. So, thank you, and everyone else, and Manuel, enjoy me losing it while unboxing this thing. I got this, and the story goes like this. I tweeted a while back that there was a very, very rare Commodore computer for sale on eBay for something like 500 euros, I believe. And I tweeted like, yeah, it would be nice to have, if anyone can afford this, go for it. I can't. So yeah, I just tweeted that and got some comments on it and stuff like that. The usual stuff. Nobody could afford it, seemingly. So 2 or 3 days later, I get an email from Manuel, from a fellow German, because it was on eBay Germany, who apparently bought the thing, and he offered to lend it to me to make a video, which is, yeah, I'm still speechless about this, because it's a lot of trust that he put in me, just sending me this and helping me making a video about this rare machine that I otherwise wouldn't have any chance of getting my hands on these days, because they are 500 euros is the usual price for these things, I believe. So yeah, without further ado, let's open this up and see if there's a rare Commodore computer inside. So now I'm going to be pretty careful with this, obviously. Okay. No, I'm really excited. Okay, so this says, little surprise for you. Kind regards, Manuel. So, packing material, more packing material. And at an angle, this thing here. And those initiated will probably know what it is right away. Oh, wow. Never thought I would ever have one of these here. Wow. Ah, okay, here it is. This is sweet. This is so sweet. It's tiny. Nice. I think I'm in love. Wow. Okay. It has some scratches here and there, but it's in pretty nice shape. Let's have a closer look. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce you to Max, the Commodore Max, or Max Machine, as it was also called. With this little foil keyboard, which feels really cheap, which it was meant to be cheap. Yeah. And it is a pretty, I think it's a pretty high serial number actually for the Max, because there weren't that many made, probably around, I don't know, 50,000 or something like that, so that this seems to be unit 40,000 something, which now belongs to Manuel, and he lent it to me. Just amazing. So I think I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. Thank you so much, Manuel. This is so cool. Okay, this is just an introductory video for my Patreon supporters. So yeah, you guys saw me unbox this thing and saw my initial reaction, or at least you heard my initial reaction. I'm not appearing on camera because I look pretty exhausted because I had quite the day at work, but this makes everything so much better. It really brightens my day. So yeah, what I'm going to do with this is to make kind of like the Aldi Commodore 64 video. I'm going to link that in here if you haven't seen it. Kind of like, which is pretty unusual for this channel, I know, kind of like a researched, planned out, scripted even video about this thing, the historical aspects and the technical aspects of this thing. And I think I can make, I hope to make an interesting video about this Max, which is an interesting machine, at least historically, because it's pretty close to the Commodore 64 that was released soon after. Yeah. So yeah, so much for now. I don't really know how long it will take me to make the video. I am going to make some mods to this. Manuel allowed me to make the composite mod that gives this composite out. It only has RF out in this unmodded state. So yeah, composite mod is pretty easy. You can just run one wire as far as I know. I have to research that and hopefully don't mess it up. So you can use a Commodore 64 power supply with this, so I'm going to do that and test it and show you around. And I think I'm also going to make kind of a poor man's Multimax cartridge, which is there is a commercially available cartridge that holds all the games available for this machine, basically. It is compatible with some Commodore 64 cartridges that are running in Ultimax mode. That's why, yeah, the Max is the machine the Ultimax mode is designed for. So these are games designed initially for the Max. They will run on this machine. So that's what I'm gonna make a little Versa 64 card, I think, and use it as a multi-game cartridge for this, and give it to Manuel as a little thank you. So wow. This is pretty nice. So I'm pretty stoked to yeah, it's really exciting to have this thing here in front of me. I'm really a bit speechless. Sorry about that. But there's going to be a video that is going to have voiceover and all kinds of neat things that are pretty unusual for my channel. I'm gonna put some effort in this, I think, because there's not a lot of information, at least on YouTube, about this machine. And yeah, I think I can change that now that I have one. Make some nice shots of it and show everything you need to know. Let's unbox the other little package here, I guess. No idea what's in there. Manuel said it's fitting. Maybe it's a Multimax cartridge or a little game cartridge, maybe. I don't really know. Okay, more packaging materials. And oh ho ho ho. Okay. It really looks like a cartridge. Oh, it's a boxed, pretty nice condition Omega Race cartridge for the Commodore Max, the Japanese version obviously, because this machine was designed and first released in Japan. Wow. Made in Japan, obviously, by Commodore Japan. This looks nice, and I have goosebumps. You can probably tell from my arm hair standing up. Great stuff. Thank you so much. This is gonna make at least one, if not 2 or 3 very interesting videos. So thanks a lot. Really, really thanks a lot. And you other people, patrons is the word, is it? My patrons, thank you so much for your support, and for this whole community is so cool. It's unbelievable sometimes. I'm left speechless. Thank you all. Hope to make interesting videos about this stuff. So, see you guys soon. I'm Jan Peter. Thanks for watching. Bye.